Yeah, good evening all. Yeah, so in the last class, just I was briefing you about defining variables in Python, right? How exactly we can store variables, how to print their types, how to print, right? Yes, data types mainly of two types. Data types mainly of two types. Fundamental data types, yes.
Sir, is this demo class or main class, sir?
Main class. Fundamental data types, collection data types. Fundamental data types means object holding single value. Object holding single value. For example, x equal to 10, an object created with value 10, it's going to have some address, the address given to x. Object holding single value, right? Collection data type. Object holding group of values. Object holding group of values. Example. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Right. Object. See, collection of values. Object holding group of values means collection of values, group of values, set of values. Here also we have got some object created, which is going to have multiple values. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So it is going to have some address. Yes, the address is given to X. Fundamental data types, object holding single value. For collection data type, what's holding group of values. Object holding group of values or collection of values. What are the various fundamental data types? So here, if you observe, right? Yes.
Today first class, sir.
What is it?
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, today first class this is.
Have you attended the
Sir,
demo?
sir, I attended last 2 demos, sir, because network issue. So total 4 demo classes, sir.
Yes, after continuation to this.
This is the first class.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Data types.
Thank you.
Fundamental data types, collection data types, object holding single value, object holding group of values. Object holding single value means x equal to 10 means an object created with value 10 is going to have some address, the address given to x. Object holding group of values means whenever you define x equal to 10 to 50, an object created with 5 values. Right. So object, so here if you observe, Object holding a single value. Object to holding single value. And here also,
Sir, small confirmation, sir.
yes,
Sorry for the disturbance.
yes.
This demo link only today class link, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Tomorrow it is going to change. Object holding single value, object holding group of values. Okay. Now coming to this, right? Yes. Fundamental data types. Fundamental data types, right? Mainly 5 types. Int, float, boolean, string, complex. Integer, nothing but example of this integer. For example, age equal to 30. Float, nothing but like something in decimal, like height equal to 6.4. Something in decimals. Boolean, which returns either true or false. True or false, right? Yes. String means something in sequence collection of characters. Means city within sequence of characters. Hyderabad, right? So it's a complex. X equal to 3 plus 4j. So fundamental data types: integer, float, boolean, string, complex. So actually in general mathematics, we use 4a3 plus 4i, but in Python we say j, right? X plus, yes.
Boolean, string.
So next, coming to this collection data types. Collection data types. Collection data types are of 4 types. Later we discuss about this collection data types in brief, right? For nearly more than a week, we'll be discussing on these collections, like list, tuple, list, tuple, set, dictionary. List, tuple, set, and dictionary. List represented by using squared bracket. Tuple represented by using normal braces. Set represented by using curly bracket. Dictionary by using curly bracket, key and value format. Okay, list, square bracket. By seeing the braces only, you should identify what kind of collection it is. List, tuple, set, dictionary, key and value type, right? Yes. Example of this dictionary. For example, x equal to name Ajay, age 25, right? So here name Ajay means what is this? Collection of key value pairs. This is key, this is value, this is key, and this is value. Key value representations, key value representations, key value, key value, key value representations, right? Collection of
Sir, regarding the complex, can you repeat that one? X equal to 3 plus 4j. What did that mean
so
exactly?
yes. So in general mathematics, a plus ib, right? X plus iy, right? in general mathematics, this is real, this is imaginary part. Real part, imaginary part. A plus I, B, S plus I, Y. Here A value is 3, B value is 4. But in Python, instead of imaginary I, we say J here. Right? X plus I, Y, X value is 3, Y value is 4. Real part is 3, imaginary part is 4. So the complex data type we won't use much in our application set, but anyone from mathematical background, if you want to you make use of complex numbers, you can go over complex data type. Later we'll discuss about this complex type with multiple examples, right? So now more integer, float, boolean, string, complex, list, tuple, sets, and dictionaries. About these collections we'll be discussing nearly 7 to 8 days, right? What is list, list indexing, list functions, list methods, list properties, list slicing, list addresses, modifying a list. Similarly for tuple, sets, and dictionaries. Now in this fundamental types, more discussion on strings, that I will come back to complex, right? So just observe this string. A string, what is a string? A string is a sequence collection of characters. It is a sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented in Python. A string is represented, right? A string is represented using single quote, double quote, triple quote, in Python, a string represented using single quote, double quote, or triple quote. Single line string, we use like single quote or double quote. For multi-line string, go for triple quote. For example, city equal to Hyderabad. Name equal to Ajay. Single quote you can use. City equal to Chennai. Address. Some T Nagar, Chennai, India. So triple quote represent using triple quote, right? Yes. So the address represents something in this, right? Yes. Something within this multiple lines, go for triple quote, right? Double quotes. For single line string, right? For single line string, we go for single quote, double quote. For multiple lines, go for triple quote. Each character, for example, Ajay is there, Chennai is there. Here, Chennai has got how many characters? 7 characters are there. Each character of a string is represented, right? Is represented or accessed by a unique index. Each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. String supports 2 types of indexes. Each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. String supports 2 types of indexes. First one, forward index or positive index. This one starts from left to right. The indexing starts from left to right. Starts with 0. Observe this. Yes. String supports two types of indexes. Forward index are positive, starts from left side to right side, starts with index, starts with 0. Backward index or negative index. Backward index or negative index starts from right to left. Index starts with backward index or negative index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. To understand this indexing, right, just observe this diagram, right? X equal to Python. Internally, one object gets created, right? P Y T H O N is going to have some address, the address given to X. X equal to Python. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we call it like forward index or positive index. Forward index or positive index starts from left to right, starts with 0. Negative indexing, right? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Backward index or negative index. X equal to Python, an object creates a Python, right? So indexing from left to right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is forward index or positive, backward index or negative index. Can you say what is the value of X of 3? X of 3 value is what?
H.
0.
X
H,
of
H.
3 is H. X of 3 is what? H.
H.
X of -2 is what?
O.
Oh,
O, right? So both we can use negative index or positive index. We can go with positive or negative index, right? So you can ask why again we go for negative index. We have got positive index to access all the characters, right? Why we need to go with this?
sir, Vijay sir, one thing may I ask regarding the same indexing?
Yes, go ahead.
This was regarding actually, suppose if we see this example in a compiler, so we will do that in the later on classes, means to get a better understanding on the compiler, live on the compiler, what's happening. Suppose you type on, for example, if we type on directly on the command prompt of the Python or Jupyter Notebook, then that example we may understand to get a better understanding. So we will follow that in the later classes, or what it is, sir?
So Python is a yes. Python is the interpretation language.
Okay.
We have got interpreter, right? So I'll just show you, right? Just observe this. So whenever we install Python, you go to this start programs, check where your Python available, right? So I said I'll be showing you on different IDEs: Jupyter, Spider, Eclipse, PyCharm, right? VS Code, all these IDs. So check where your Python is available as of now. Just to go to this Python 3. So 3.8, 3.9, 3.10, 3.11. All the versions are available in my system. Multiple versions. 3.11, right? So ideally integrated development environment. You open this, Python shell gets opened. So if you want to interact, x equal to Python, Python, right? Yes, what is x? It's saying Python. What is x of 0 value? Right. Everyone, try to answer. What is x of 0?
X of 0 is P.
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 What is x of minus 1 value?
N.
N, right?
N.
X of 3.
P is T.
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 So in this
H,
case,
H.
yeah,
H.
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 Yeah.
x of minus 3 is
Okay.
what?
-1, -2, H.
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 Yeah,
minus
yeah.
1, -2. So in this way, you can interact with Python statement by statement. For every statement, it gives the response, right? We call this as interactive mode.
Okay, sir. And that means the same thing I was asking. It was my same doubt. Like instead of like, of course, we were in the diagram. Like we interact in the same way, or we can get some homework or as a project, some homework assignment, so that we will be interacting and we'll be getting to know the things in a
Yes, yes.
live.
Many assignments will be given to you as we are in the basics part only. Still, we didn't discuss.
Okay,
this
sir.
part.
Okay. Okay.
So this is batch. This is interactive mode. But if you want to go for batch mode, file, new file, write your code here, save it as .py and run this. The same thing, right? It's coming back to this. Okay. So single line comment in Python is hash, but multi lines, but multi lines, right? Yes. Keep triple quote here. Keep triple quote here. Multiple lines. Keep triple quote and triple quote here, right? Yes. This entire thing is not executable, right?
So this whiteboard is also running on a Python interpreter only.
So whenever I said, right, whenever we install Python, check this. Python, whenever we install Python, it provides a Python 3.11. In that, ideally, it will be there, right? Integrated
Yes.
development environment. If you click it, see, just interactive mode means for learning or for testing the functionalities of Python here. Statement.
We'll get this. Okay.
But
sir,
generally,
okay.
for developing applications, we won't go for interactive mode.
Yeah.
File,
Only
new
for practice.
Yes, here you will write your code, 5-6 lines of code. File, save it as .py. And here itself you will run that. Run module. You will see. It gives the output.
Okay, sir.
So observe here, right? Yes. Now,
Sir, I'm a bit confused about single quote versus double quote.
Single quote, double quote. You can use any of this quote, right? Single or double quote for representing a word or a sentence. For a single word or a single sentence, you can use either single or double quote. Both can be used. But for multiple lines, you can go for triple quote.
Okay.
But
so there was no.
But when to go for double quote within a double quote? Not allowed. But we can have a single quote within a double quote. So double quote within double quote not allowed, single quote within single quote not allowed. In such case, you can have a single quote within a double quote. In that way to use, if whenever you go for nested strings, string within a string, the inner string should represent with one quote, outer string with one string, right?
Okay, got it.
So, but as of now, both are same. So now x equal to Python. So we'll be discussing more on string, right? Yes, we have got a lot of strings: string indexing, string slicing, string methods, string functions, string special characters, right? X equal to Python. For example, just now I was talking about Python. Print x means it prints the entire string. And if I want to know the type, what type it is, what you are trying to assign to x, what you are trying to assign to x. String, right? Type will be string type. Print len of x. Len means
Index.
number of characters. I'm writing a comment for your understanding. Number of characters within the string.
5.
How many characters? 1, 2, 3. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Length is what? 6. 6. Python, what types? str type. Length is what? 6.
It will always write the class in front of type, whatever the type is like.
Yeah, in Python, everything are objects represented by predefined classes. Int is a class, float is a class, string is a class, list is a class, tuple is a class. All those are classes in Python. So that's why type will be class int or class float this. So later we discuss about classes in object-oriented programming. So as of now, print x, Python type will be int type, length will be 6. Y equal to programming. Y equal to programming. Print x plus y. X plus y means x is one Python, y is programming. X plus y means concatenation. What is that? Concatenation. Adding two strings. Adding two strings. First string followed by second string. Concatenation means adding two strings. X is one, y is one. First string followed by second string. Observe this, right? Run module, right? Python programming. You got the output as Python programming, right? But I want space between Python and programming. Just observe it. I want space between these two. Add three strings. X is one string Python, y is another string programming. Between those two, add one more string.
Sir, one small doubt.
Yes.
May I ask, sir?
Yes.
When you are teaching us, when we are watching the video, like in your classes, do we have any opportunity to parallelly type and for ourselves, check for ourselves? When you are typing, we are also typing some interpreter, and do we have any opportunity like that? Because I understand that watching video absolutely fine. You will share the recordings also, but still, if we keep on typing and do the mistakes ourselves, that may be like fetching good results, what I believe.
So no. Actually, yes. If you want, you can do that parallelly. But if anyone stuck up with any error, right, then he won't listen to the next examples.
Yeah, then that will be again everybody will be stuck up.
He will keep on. For example, okay,
suffering.
10 examples. For example, 15 examples I discussed today. You are stuck up in the third example. The other examples, right? Means I want you people to respond. Now in the coming sessions, right, you will be responding with the answers, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So
So
either
so what we can do is, suppose today you shared with us 20 examples, and these 20 examples we tried it on our computer, on a laptop, and how can we clear those doubts?
see one thing. Okay. One thing is okay. We are going to create a WhatsApp group in the next session.
Okay.
WhatsApp group. So for what is the technical discussions, right? For
Mhm.
errors, anything, right? So all the people you will be added into the WhatsApp group. So
Mhm.
if any error, you will take that snap of it and you will post in the WhatsApp group. So
Mhm.
anybody can answer that. You can have a technical discussion in the group why that error has occurred. The others will be responding, right, with the answers. Still, you are not got at the start of the session. You can ask that queries, right?
So can you
Okay.
please create
Okay.
WhatsApp group today?
No, not today. Once everyone got enrolled, right? Means tomorrow or day after tomorrow it will be created.
Okay,
Tomorrow,
sir. Means
tomorrow,
at any
tomorrow.
point of time in the WhatsApp group only, we can even ask you the doubt. Suppose, sir, this is not happening with us.
Say 1 second. In Python, you're not writing a very big codes, right? So very
Mm-hmm.
less codes, right? So
Mm-hmm.
the first, whenever I start the session, immediately you can ask your queries.
Okay,
Sir,
sir. Okay,
who
no problem.
joined for them you creating WhatsApp group, sir?
What is it?
Who
WhatsApp.
joined for courses for them you
Uh,
create
So
WhatsApp
actually,
group?
as of now, WhatsApp group is not created. Tomorrow the link will be changing, right? Tomorrow the link is going to change. Everyone,
That's
you
what,
are
sir.
only yes. Once you got enrolled, right?
Who
From
made?
so tomorrow the link, the group is going to get created. Whoever joins that meeting tomorrow, right?
Okay.
Tomorrow, whoever joins the meeting means those who have already paid or who are going to right enroll, right? You'll be getting the link. So tomorrow you'll be joining the meeting. So that WhatsApp group link tomorrow at the end of the
Okay.
session, I'll be forwarding that WhatsApp group link, right, in the chat panel of Zoom.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Next is string slicing. Now I want everyone to respond, right? You can unmute yourself and you can give a response. If you've got any background noise, you can just give a response through chat panel, right? Yes. So also you can see in the chart panel given by this online team, the course content and the demo videos link. Yes, payment process and procedure. So next is string slicing. So don't forget to send your screenshot of your payment to that email ID provided. Then only you will be getting the link to your mail IDs. So they have given DURGASOFT online training @gmail.com. Try to send a screenshot of your payment to that. Then only you will be getting the link. After 4 days or 5 days of the class, you'll say that still I didn't get the link. So that's the string slicing, right? Extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. For example, observe this. X equal to, I'm taking Python program. I'm taking what? Python program, right? Extract only Python from this. Extract only Python from this, right? Print means print only Python. Print, try to answer, right? Extract only Python from this. X is the string. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. What you want? 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I need to take here? 0, 2, 6. This we call it as lower bound. This we call it as upper bound. I'm writing a comment for your understanding. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. So 6 excluded means up to 5 till consider. Python is the output. If you give 5 here, 5 gets excluded up to 4 only. This n you won't get. Yes, run module. If Python you are getting right, yes. Now extract the middle portion of the string. Extract the middle portion means yes. Now try to answer everyone. PROG. I want to extract only these 4 characters. Now everyone try to answer. How can I print it?
7 x of 7.
Hmm.
Sorry, 8. That's it. 6 1 is actually empty space, no empty.
Even
Eight.
empty also takes index, right?
Yeah, that's 8.
Everyone try to say x of
8.
10 x of
8.
7.
8 colon 1 2 3 4. So
8 is wrong.
9
7 to 10.
7 to
11.
yes, 7 to 11, right? That is the answer. 7th, see 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 I want, 8 I want, 9 I want, 10 I want. Means 11 I need to go. 11 excluded. Up to 10 only it considers. 7 to 10. PROG. If I write in opposite way, print x of 11 to 7, right? 11 to 7, what is the output I get, right? 11 to 7. 7 to 11 means PROG. If I reverse it, 11 to 7. Everyone, try to answer. So whether your answers are correct or wrong, try to keep responding, right? Yes.
G.
Empty string you get. Because always slicing in the forward direction. Always slicing in the forward direction. Because always slicing in the forward direction. Empty string because always slicing in the forward direction. So 11 to 7, 7 to 11 means okay, in this way you are slicing. 11 to 7 means you are going in the backward direction. Whenever you are slicing in backward, you will get empty string. So always slicing should be in the forward direction. Slicing should be in the forward direction. If it is in the backward, empty string you get. Now try to extract this PROG using negative index, everyone. Try to do using negative indexing is that try to extract using negative index. Yes.
Minus 4 to 8.
to minus 8.
Minus 4 to minus 8, wrong. Everyone, try to answer. X of minus 4 to minus 8. Minus 4
Minus
to
8.
means you are
Minus
going
8
in,
to minus 4.
you are going in backward direction. Minus 4 to minus 8 means
Minus
using-
7 to minus 3.
yes, minus 7 to minus 3. So using negative index also should go in forward direction. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want. So -3 we need to do, up to -4 it takes. Okay. Now extract the entire word program. Now extract the entire word program. Try to say using pass to index first. I want to extract the entire word program. Yes, everyone try to answer, right?
Using forward index.
Yes, using forward pass to index x of
X of
7 to 14.
7 to
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. That's just 7.
zeros. Indexing starts with 0.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 you want, 8 you want, 9, 10, 11, 12,
7 to
13.
14.
14th index not available. Can I give 14 here? 14th index not available. Yes. 14th excluded. 14th index is
Excluded. Yeah.
up to 13 you get. 7 to 13. So 14 excluded. Otherwise, you can say another way, right? Print x of 7 to, don't give the upper bound. Ignore it. 7 to up to the end of the string. Run more. Check this 7 to end of the string. Program, right? Yes. Can I ignore this lower bound also in this? Lower
No.
bound.
No, you can't ignore because it is 7, or it will give.
Is it valid? Lower bound, upper bound. Lower bound is not given. From where to where I need to slice. Upper bound is given as 6. Lower bound is not given.
So
It
it
is
will
valid,
just
but only the front
Python
part
will-
will be getting.
it will print Python.
It will print Python, right? So if you're not giving the lower bound, it will start from the start index to 6. 6 excluded. If upper bound not provided, up to the end of the string. So this and this both are same, right?
Yes.
What? Python it prints. Python it prints. Can I ignore both lower and upper this time? Is it valid? I ignored both lower and upper now. Is it valid? Everyone try to answer.
Yes,
Yes.
it is. It should be. It should be valid. It will be Python program.
Entire string will be printed, right? It will start from
Yes.
start index to up to the end index. Entire Python program similar to print x, right? Now try to say this program using negative index. Print program using negative index.
-1.
-1 to minus
2, 3, 4,
8.
5, 7, 8.
8. Yeah.
Backward direction you are giving empty string you will get.
Okay.
Go in forward direction.
-8 to -1. -1.
Minus
-8 to
-7.
-8 is wrong.
-7 then.
-7. Yes.
-7 to
Minus
13.
1.
0.
Zero
Either
means,
it is -1 or no, 0 can't be 0.
zero means P.
Yeah, can't
1
be
means
0.
1. -1 means M excluded.
It might be empty.
Yes, only this is the only choice, right? Empty only. You cannot give -1 or 1 or 0 anything. Just leave it empty. -7 to all the remaining will be program, right? Program, right? Just observe this output now. This returns entire string Python program. This returns entire string Python program. This also returns entire string x of 0 to remaining Python program returns. Okay. All these three results the same output Python program. Now try to say, is it valid? Can I use a negative and positive combination? X of -7 to 11, is it valid?
Yes.
Everyone try to answer. -7 to 11, is it valid?
Yes, it is for all right.
-7 means P, 11 means R. What you get? P R O G, right? P R O G. Next, try to answer for this. Print x of 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. 0 to 14 means entire string with the increment of 2 means 0 index, 2 index, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Only these indexes you want, not all the index. Read 0 index, next increment by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
PTU.
So what is the output you get? P T O space R G A. P T O space PTO space RGA, right? Okay. Now try to say what is the output for this colon 2.
Enter string.
Same output.
Same output.
These two results the same output, right? Print x of colon -1 reverses the string. What is this? Reverses the string. PYTHON PROGRAM, right? Python program.
Can you please tell me again 0 to 14 and incremented by 2, how it will print PTU and
So first 0 to 14 means entire string, but entire string I doesn't want with the increment of 2. Means first 0 index you read, next increment by 2 means 2 index you read, 4 index, 6 index, 8 index, only this even indexes. So 0 index means P. Next after the 2 index means 0, 1, 2, T will read. Next increment by 2 means O it will read. Again increment by 2 means this space. Again increment by 2 means R. G. Understood? Even indexed characters I want. Generally indexing will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I doesn't want all odd values. Even valued indexes. 0 index, 2 index, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Understood? Okay. 0 to 14. If I give 3 here, what happens? If I give 3 means first to read 0. After that increment by 3. 0 increment by 3 means 4 you will 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 3, 6, 9. 3 index 0, 1, 2, 3. Next H. Next 6 index 4, 5, 6. Again 9 index 7, 8, 9. This way. Increment by 3 means every 3 indexed can you see this reversing a string? Run module. PYTHON PROGRAM, right? Reverses a string. Now observe this. You know, have you heard about the word palindrome? Right? What is palindrome, anyone?
From front or back, the same will be there.
Front or back? We need to get.
The same word we will be getting.
So if we reverse
Like pop.
a string, we need to get example for this palindrome, anyone?
Pop.
POP. Yes, if you reverse also, you will get pop one. Any more?
1 to 2 to 1.
1, 2, 2, 1. Okay. MADAM, madam. Reverse it, you will get the same string, right? Still, Malayalam. Reverse it, you will get the same string. If you reverse also, you need to get, then we call it as a palindrome. Still any more?
Wow.
What?
Wow, sir. W.
Rotator. Wow.
Rotator.
What is it?
Rotator.
Rotator.
TOR.
So anything, right? Okay, for example, X equal to MADAM, madam. Print it. How to reverse this? X of colon -1 means reversing it. Store the result in Y.
Sir, here once we reverse in -1, just both the columns. So -1, -2.
So this is just now I said, right? Reverses a string. So it also reverses the string, store the result in Y.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, this one, once we are getting this -1, both the columns and -1, can you please explain -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 it will be like this, it is reversing.
If -2 means you will get like this. So observe this output, how you got. PYTHON. -2 means P you will get, next T you will get, next O you will get, next space, next R, next G, A in this way. -2. -3 means P.
No, that's not my doubt, sir. My doubt is you have given both the columns, no? So it is going till the end.
So here, if you understand this, what is this? Understood this?
Yeah, this one I understood.
This one you understood?
Yeah, it is going till the end.
Increment with 2. This increment by 2. This is decrement by 1. It starts from -1 in this way. -1 -2 -3 -4 -4 by -1. In this way it will go.
Okay.
Reverses the string, right? This is parallel. Just I'll take 3-4 minutes more. Before that, I'll discuss something about string methods. X equal to, for example, Hyderabad. Okay. First string methods means first one upper to print in uppercase. To print in uppercase. For example, X equal to Hyderabad. Print everything in uppercase. X is the string dot upper. That's it. See the output. Hyderabad in uppercase, right? Yes. For example, next lower. To print in lowercase. Mumbai. Print X dot lower. Mumbai is in uppercase to convert to lowercase. It is printing in lowercase, right? Now observe this third example. I want X equal to India. Only the first character I want in uppercase, remaining all in the lowercase only. How can I print? Only first character I only in uppercase, remaining all in lower.
X of 0 dot
X dot upper 0.
So no need to do all this. We have got a method called
Capitalize.
capitalize. So just check this. Only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. So what is the method we have got? Capitalize. So in Python, we have got many inbuilt methods and functions. To capitalize the first character of a string. For example, X equal to good evening, Hyderabad. How many words are there? How many words are there in this?
3 words.
3. Good evening, Hyderabad. I want G in uppercase, E in uppercase, H in uppercase. Each and every word, first character in the uppercase I want. If I say capitalize, only G will look uppercase. I want E also, H also in uppercase. We need to say X dot title. Now you check. Every word, first character, G, evening E, Hyderabad, H in uppercase. Title. Now you can check, right? Good evening, Hyderabad. Each and every word, first character. Good, G in uppercase, E N H. Similarly, if you see, observe this example too. Employees are like this. Employee names are like this. Rahul, Ajay, Miller, Blake, James, John, printer, EMPS dot. I want each and every employee name, first character in the uppercase. Think that 100 employee names are there. 100 employee names, first character I want in uppercase.
Title.
Title, right? Yes. Check this. Run module. R in uppercase, A in uppercase, M, B, J, H. Yes, everything in uppercase is right. Yes. Swap case. For converting one case to another case. If it is in lower, converts to upper. If it is in upper, converts to lower. For example, same, I got this. If it is in lower, it converts to upper. X dot swap case, it swaps the case. It is in lower, it converts to upper, right? Yes. Okay. In this way, we have got many methods. We don't need to write huge codings, upper, lower, capitalized, titles, swap case, format, count, strip, split, starts with, ends with, right? Is alpha, is decimal, right? Is all num, right? In this way, many methods are there. So tomorrow also my discussion will be on the strings, methods, string functions, string special characters, right? Any queries as part of today's session, anyone, right? So this you'll be getting, right? This notes also I'll be forwarding you. So so whatever I'm typing, everything you'll be getting it.
Sir, one question is there. After this learning these data types and various types of strings, and after learning these all things, you'll be sharing the recordings also. I just want to know, practically, suppose after 30 days or 35 days or 40 days, once we learn this, once we learn the language, when is the time when we'll apply this, or the projects we will be doing, any small projects?
See, one thing. So every day some new functionalities will be added. First,
Okay.
strings.
Okay,
Next,
sir.
see fundamental types, strings. Next comes operators. Next comes of different types of operators will be included. Next comes flow control statements. Next comes functions. Next comes collections, list, tuple, sets, dictionaries. So every day, now you are seeing in the program only variables. Next, in the coming days, you will see in the programs what all the functionalities we have discussed. Next, collections, list, tuple, sets, dictionaries. Later, functions. Later, modules you will see in your program code. Next, package you will see in your program code. Next, exceptions you will see in your program code. Next, file handling you will see in your program code. Next, object-oriented programming you will see. So whenever you see a program code, you should be able to identify. Already you should have been exploring all these things, right? So an application is a combination of all this.
Okay.
Apart from this, you will be given many assignment tasks to work with.
Okay. Means, for example, just an example, because long back we learned C language or something C, C++. So in case if I mean to say that after 45 days or after 50 days, I don't know about the assignments. A small example, like can I program it as a calculator? How to program a calculator or something, like write a program for the calculator? Can we do that after this all learning these things?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's what. So those type of examples, like those type of programs, we may get after 60 days or after 55 days, after functions or something like that.
Not like, see, one second. So if you want to do some kind of applications, right, like a Facebook application, like an interactive applications, right? So giving in the browser request and getting a response from the browser, right? Those kind of applications. GUI based applications, also many GUI based applications, like some kind of restaurant application, other applications, library management system, like those kind of systems, right? Fine. That GUI
Okay.
based applications you can.
Okay. Like means in this 75 days duration, can we learn those all things?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Means you may give some mini projects also, like this is the project you can do, this is the assignment you can do, in that way.
So after doing that, you want to go for what, and you are looking for what kind of job?
Yeah, mainly, sir, this is related to only data analytics only. I want to restrict myself to data, not core programming. I don't want to do any core programming, but yes, for data analytics, like fetching the data, I think I'm forgetting that phrase, what it is called, the data analytics, whatever it is used for the data analytics, because the next I'll be learning, I'm parallel learning SQL also, Spark also I'll learn. But what I meant to say is that at least the basic programming, the programs or the projects, any mini projects, we will be able to do after 60 days.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
That's why we kept it 70-75 hours course, right? It's not a 45 hours course, right? So just we are going with 75 hours course. We'll be discussing all in brief. Many things we'll be discussing, many use cases, right? Fine.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Any other?
Full stack development class, when it is going to start?
Full stack. Okay. So okay, already in the weekends some batches are running. So new batches, whenever it will be start, it will be posted in your WhatsApp groups, right?
But I'm already enrolled for it, and you said last time it's gonna be start from Monday.
So without any knowledge of Python, right? You need to have some basic knowledge of Python, right? Yes.
So any idea when you're gonna start?
Yeah, it will be, yes, in the coming days, the weekends you want, you're preferring. So Monday to Friday, you'll be having this, right? In the weekends, if you want Saturdays, Sundays, you can attend, or in the coming days, right? Within this, whenever it is scheduled, we'll be intimating you, right? So parallelly, if you want, you can go.
So one thing, when we downloaded this Anacondas, the Python, after downloading this Python also, we downloaded Anaconda, and just the interpreter, like I was working on Jupyter Notebook.
Hey, one second. Yes, yes. Now I said I'll be showing you the installation of each and every ID, not only Jupyter. Spider is there, Jupyter, Spider, PyCharm, VS Code, many IDs. I'll show how to download and how to install and how to run your code on that, right? Yes.
Okay, okay, maybe next week or in the coming days.
In the coming days, every 1 week we'll be working on one ID.
One ID. Okay, okay, okay. Okay,
So
so
yes,
thank you.
yes, and people who are asking, those who wants to go parallelly with this, right? So within like 10 days or 2 weeks of time, we'll be starting one more, means the timings will be intimated, not yet fixed. People who wants to go parallelly for Python and full stack parallelly, right? Fine. Okay. Any other queries, right?
Yeah, I installed Python in local, but it's not showing the Python folder. The Python I can show. Can I share my screen?
What is it?
I installed Python in local.
Local.
My laptop.
Which version?
3.11.
Your Python is Windows 10 or 11?
10.
Windows 10. Okay.
But if I search in the search, no, it's not showing the that folder actually. I need to explicitly go to the folder. But you are getting search in Python folder, Python right in the Windows, no? Then you are getting. But for me, I'm not getting like that.
Share your screen. Share screen option available.
Yeah.
Right. Any other queries from anyone? Open your C drive.
It is there. Yeah.
Python 3.11. Okay. Enter.
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Enter into that.
Yeah.
Scripts, you said scripts.
Script. Okay.
It's installed, right? So okay,
Yeah.
close it. Close it. Close that. Yes.
Okay.
And go to this start programs. Where is your start programs?
Yeah.
And go to apps. Their apps are the third one.
Yeah.
Apps. Click the tabs and all the apps where you can see all the installed apps.
Okay. Control panel, right?
Apps is there, right, at the top
Yeah.
left corner. Yes.
Yeah.
Click the tabs.
Yeah.
And you can scroll down where your Python is available in that. All apps will be there. All you click.
Okay.
All you say all and 1 second, scroll down and see Python. Scroll down. Python is not. And in the search, type ideally. In the search panel, type ideally. IDLE. Yeah, you got it, right? Click that ideally. Up.
Okay.
Yes, open, right?
Yeah.
You can work with interactive mode or file new file patch mode.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Okay, stop sharing. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Tomorrow the link is changing, right? So everyone need to get enrolled if you want to continue this, right? So you'll be added to the WhatsApp group. You will be getting the videos to your Google Drive, and you will be getting the notes to your Gmail, right? So link will be tomorrow. The online team will forward the link to your mail IDs. Check it, get added. Tomorrow the group will be WhatsApp group will be created, right? Yes. So I'm stopping here. Yes, we'll continue. Fine.